My journey with Dealmachine begins on the road. Literally, I use the driving for dollars feature to scout neighborhoods, instantly adding distressed or vacant properties directly to my list using the in-app camera. This creates a virtual footprint of potential deals right in front of me. Once a property is added, Dealmachine automatically pulls up crucial public data with a single tap. I can access detailed property information, including ownership details, tax records, and estimated value, giving me an immediate snapshot of the opportunity. This is where the magic happens. Dealmachine seamlessly integrates direct mail, allowing me to craft personalized offers directly from the app. I select my target properties, choose a proven template, and with a few clicks, professional mailers are sent out on my behalf, saving immense time and effort. But it doesn't stop there. Dealmachine acts as my personal CRM. I track every mailer, note any homeowner interactions, and schedule follow-ups. This organized system ensures no lead falls through the cracks and I can maintain consistent communication, moving prospects closer to a deal. My key strategy involves consistent batch mailing and then segmenting leads based on their responsiveness. Those who open mailers or visit a custom landing page automatically get prioritized for a follow-up call. I also leverage the skip tracing feature for hard-to-reach owners, ensuring I have multiple contact avenues. Dealmachine isn't just a tool. It's a comprehensive workflow that empowers me to find, analyze, and engage with potential deals efficiently, transforming my real estate investing journey.